Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to replace your fuel injectors for a 1.4 Chevy Cruze 2012. This also goes for 2010 and through 2015. So let's see. Alright, so we're gonna start with popping these out. Let me show you real quick. All you gotta do is just pop these out. Just be careful. All this shit breaks. Okay, and then we're gonna pull this out. Alright, got it out. All you gotta do is pull it. Boom, pops right off. Alright, save this clip. Don't lose it. It's a vacuum line, so. Yeah, this connects to the oil catch can. Like I said, it was connected to. Let's see. Next, how you take these off. You see that little clamp? It's right there. You'll see it. It's a clamp right there. And let me see if I can put the light even closer. Oh, there you go. You see that clamp? Alright. Let's see. Start by. Where am I? Okay. Ooh. But side by side, it has to be both sides about the same. It's kind of hard with the camera too. Okay, that one's too much, so I'm gonna put it back inside. Here, I'm gonna get a screwdriver real quick. Let's see. Okay, here's a screwdriver. Oh. Just pop it back in. You gotta do it side to side, so it's like this, and then a little bit this way, but that way, and this way. So like both sides are kind of popping off. Quick update. I used the biggest screwdriver I have and the smallest. And what I did is put the small one, once it opens on one side, just have that like about right there, and then the other, while you pulling the other side. And then I had both of my screwdrivers on it when I pulled it out, and it actually worked. Alright guys, I finally took it out. See this? This is what's holding the connected together with the fuel injector. So see there? You gotta pull that out. Alrighty, so I'm gonna do all four of them and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, what you do next, take that screw out, and this one, and that ground right there. And then I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, came back and I took out the screws, like I said. And then now we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna take this plastic clamp off. With the screwdriver, and then you stick it in there, and then twist it to the right, and at the same time hold it and pull. And then after that, it should pop right off. Okay. Put a towel on there. And then just pull your injectors. And I can't do this with one hand, so good luck. There, I took it off. What I did is wiggle it side to side while pulling it a little bit harder than I thought. and then it should come out. All of them should come off. Alright, let me go get my new fuel injectors. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I got some super lube and my new injectors. All we gotta do is take this off, this clamp off. Sorry guys. Boom. Take it off. Put the rag on the bottom. And then it pops right off. Alright. Get the few first one off. And we'll get in the rag. And then either you can use lube or grease or oil. Just do oil. Doesn't matter. I'm using super lube. Well, I was trying to take out my second one right now, and my washer got stuck in there. Use some pliers to take it out, and it should come right off. So yeah, I'm putting the 650 cc fuel injectors from DW. Try them out. They're gonna do pretty much better than the stock ones for sure. But let me do all 4, and then I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, I put the fuel injectors in, and it's okay if they wiggle a little bit. That's normal. Put grease on all my washers. You can use oil too, doesn't matter. Then you push it back in and line everything up, and that should be it. Then put everything back together. That's about it. So I'll end this video, and like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I'll make my other video later about the intercooler kit. I just haven't got time, and it's way too cold here. It's like -15, so I want to wait a little bit. But yeah, good luck guys.